ki khubor ka bate CTV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Step into paradise at Mausen Telang Nongwar, your sustainable escape into nature's heart.
Ka Alpha English Higher Secondary School Nongpo sajisin pat mentau snem arajar hosau. Kelapau biang kumkuwe ni school balam khamat haga top 10 jong examine Higher Secondary School Living Certificate nari Bohoi District. Hadimu samla puli jong ni school ujak dat sing dong tudu ulayo rong haga kerdan masipau jong top 10 hadim ulayo bonkhur sauspa lahu prama badio distinction hambrokin rutli ki subject haga commerce stream hadim Meghalaya Board of School Education kelapan menaya ke result jong HSS LC Commerce but Science stream. Kumancu pentip hang ni bagi ke Alpha Higher Secondary School ke dikwe di school bapau bah riboy bat ke baju penmi heki samla ke bawan syakmat haki examine HSSLC but SSLC haki senam lalek no. Nakaliang jong ke principal jong school ke kong WK belak kelapen pau ke school kemen ke bakrau lol kana bat kemuram lawan ra ada ulu samla ya ke school hi berok kowe khamtam ya ke dong hikai bat kikmi kikpa.
When it comes to studying, you can just study like 1 to 2 hours per day. Take it easy. If you feel ever pressured, sometimes you tend to feel pressured, you can just take it easy. You can talk to your friends and basically just take it easy and work as much hard as you can. Bring honor to your school. My teachers and my parents, they inspired me to reach this level. They helped me a lot during my exam, supporting me, guiding me. And it's because of them that I reached in top 10 of HSLC 2024. All the students, I would like to say just one thing, is that work hard, grow, and bring honor to your school, especially Alpha students. Let us bring honor to Alpha school. My next step would be to pursue BMS from a reputed college so that I can become a businessman. And that's what I'm hoping for.
Yaki kamtam yaki nong hikai kiba support ye khunjonga nala kemen shibun kum ngai kumi ba shu busy be yaga kam lo jong ngasai ye khun klem yo lat ban le tuition ro ba de na ka daw ba ngimla ban manage ka timing jonga ma tang banga so kemen shibun namar is teachers boroila support ye te kamtam ya ka jing minot jong iru te lala ban po ya kena ka thong te tangkum tae ngas collaboration ma to be very honest ka jing minot ngam yo irai kawai ru namar bang ade ibru ba business ma ngapale jing mot betang ha ka business la jong ba ngam yo por ban support ma to be very honest ya kata tanga yo ye gajing krekot jong eru bun sen bai bun tang bale kaya ke mobile ladai minot shisha I hope so ilawan number 1 kata kan
kaban kong asuban ay ngu ni kong yo blay ba nadu bangadan hang ni hari boy impad du sisin ru ban yo ya ka top 10 nakadiha ka SLC dan SSLC. Ni yo bet kawai ke school ke bapen mi ya kan top 10 ke dei hang ni po Alpha English Secondary School. But menta ya suban ban ngasungu subun na kinong penya jok ni ke school. Principal bet kiwai kiba ya dan benta ban ran ya kan ni ke school. Kabara ya ka buram jong ka ribhoy hibrok kawai. Paman usnem isa yo kiba yo position na kan ke school. Tengit skam magajing trace tom jong i principal kinong hikai ikna but kajing trace tom hi jong ka managing committee ka penlong ya kan ke school banang kiu saprang na kawai ke snem wat afdeng cibun jong ki jing but ka percentage jong ka jing pas hari boy metau snem na kaliang jong ka sun stream niyo 79.29 but kaliang jong ka commerce stream niyo 79.17 tengah so ba na ka district ka badi ka district ka basa dien tam po Meghalaya aspirational district ringila yo 79.17 but 79.29 masuk ka di ka jumpin idak ka jingkiu jong ka education po riboy da masuk ban ay kublay ru tang ya kani ka school ray kiwe pat ki school wadai kimpoy ha ka top 10 ringit scam kilia lechtom kan pala pan pasi ki kena pan ya contribute ya kanika percentage of pass ha kariboy tengah ai kublay ki ban ngikit bok kit ruang ki bah way sunem ngin ya kini lang ya kanika top 10 ke top 20 bat kiwe ki kerdan bat nginang kiu cejrong cakmat kat nang mi ipor bismi tang ya don ban ong but sakaway nga jan klen bang ai kublay kerpang yo niu kena jong ka ni ka alpha secondary ubala ra yo kuburam jong ka school para yo kuburam jong ka yang kesem but bala ra ru yo kuburam jong ka district kamtam magni ka por ka ba ngadang dan ning so pemen cibun but nga ai ke jing kerku perdo ya bo nang kiu sya klie sya pnang batru ya kiwe pat ki kena ki balaya pas lang hakan ni ka exam baminta to blame do kertu kerpang iki bakin yo kalat banang pule kat kum ka jing tumu ka jongki iwe pa iwe
Sisien kum ka principal jong ka school nga kalong ka buram bat nga jing so sarong yangi uniwe kuna yo ka common stream 10th position jakjot sing nong to do ho nga siya mo ni kuna but tehitom hina do dang wit join class school nang mina do class 2 but tehitom kena tips ni but kiba chule bahe jing pule jongki ho but ni so tenat ni ai ka buram juble ko ikinong hikai kiba de ka common stream but kunjuk ikimi ba kesyan borba ya kon kiba yeng jo kiba la man pun poi usah ni ka buram maro oi kene jing tre sitom jong hiru hakaba ula ban ai ni buram be school ya hinda di baik kaya kasem da ka buram hinga so maro kino hikai ki school maro hikai ka jo hinga nge kan don hi ka jing bentar ba kino hikai ki le ya ki kena school hendai ho ni persyang man le kawe kalau ni kambe thong ki kena le sekretar ketin kasi kambe thong ki kam wat ki la ni shem ban la ki don ki jing klot ang no ni persyang man yarap ki but ho kawe kalong ba kayarap ya ki kibon lada ni la ban kam ai por ki ha school but tunjuk ni ya don ki jinga dei ki kimi ki pa ban ha ngi i ba ki don ki kena ki don jingkermen ki balak ban wan chakmat ni ong ki kimi pa ba ki pet na yeng ru kenang ba ki kon ki kin wan chakmat ki pas ba ni don ni syai ai kerja financial jinera token sisen ai kapol ni le fill station school bala ya ki class 12 ma ki la le chabat te sibon tingim lai namar ki kena ki bon dei ni pensilur but ni ai kerja financial assistance one time only.